Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ms. Bell with the communications team, and I would like to briefly discuss the website configuration plan and the expectations for campus and department leaders. And we want to just thank all of our campuses and departments in advance for working alongside the communication team to make all of these adjustments possible to the website. So before we get started, I would like to introduce our team. We have with us Mr. Timothy Richardson, Communication Coordinator, Ms. Sonia Brown, Communication Specialist, Ms. Ashley Anderson, Multimedia and Marketing Coordinator, Mr. Corey Pfeiffer, our Graphic Designer, and myself, Ms. Tanya Bell, Interim Chief of Communications. I want to read this quote to you. Creativity is thinking up new things, innovation is doing new things, and together we will certainly work together to improve our website and grow a larger community of followers. At this time, we have asked two department representatives from either the department or the campus to serve as the designated representatives for the district. And those individuals will attend a 2-hour Blackboard training to learn basic skills about updating and maintaining websites. And so we're just looking forward to our training sessions. We've already had our first training session on December 3rd. And the remaining sessions are set up for December 8th, December 10th, and December 15th. And all of the representatives at this time do have a calendar invite so that they know their specific day and time to attend the website training. Let's talk a little bit about next steps. And before we get started with our next steps, I wanted to just mention that we do have in the drive a Google link that includes all of these resources. It's important that as we make these adjustments to the site that we consider the essential information that needs to go on the site. And so as a campus leader or as a department leader, we want to make sure that as we're gathering this information that the information is consistent. And we also want to make certain that the information gets approved before it's uploaded or before changes are made on the site. So just make sure that all webmasters are utilizing this tool so that as they're gathering information, again, it's very consistent across the board, across the district. I also wanted to just draw your attention to this illustration, which essentially represents all of the essential questions on the previous slide, but it's just laid out and outlined and illustrated in such a way so that you can start thinking about how will this information look on your web page. And now this slide actually brings it all to life. It allows you to see and visualize what the information from the essential information in the previous illustration, what it would actually look like on the web page. So using the communications team as an example, we would have all of these essential pieces on there, and perhaps either a picture, a photo of the team or individual photos of each team member. I want to mention also that as a district, we are working very hard to make sure that we have consistency across the board. So at some point, we will work with each campus and each department to make sure that our email signatures are all very consistent. And this is the standard that we're utilizing. Some email addresses or email signatures may vary a little bit, but we want to have a general standard, so this is the district standard. Additionally, we want to do the same thing regarding our staff pages. So at this time, we do not have a staff page for each district or each department in each campus, but we are going to be working on those staff pages. They will basically be set up so that there will be an alpha list of all of the staff members for that particular campus or department. And when you click on the name, in this instance, and this is a made-up name, Jasmine Smith, but when you click on Jasmine's name, these essential pieces will pop up for that teacher or for that employee. Another thing that's coming to our website soon is the district calendar, and I'm really looking forward to this feature because on the district calendar we will include all of the important events throughout the year. And so as a principal or as a department leader, as you're making plans for your campus or department or teams, you'll be able to go to this calendar and very quickly see if you would have any calendar conflicts, and you can work that out very quickly by having this resource at your fingertips. I'm almost finished with our presentation, but I wanted to just highlight the fact that we've created goals and a timeline for ourselves as a communication team. And I just wanted to underscore a couple of things. One, right now what we're doing is reconfiguring pieces on the website. And we're also working with our various campuses and departments to make sure that everyone is trained before the Christmas break. And then as we begin to come back after the Christmas break, we're going to start looking at the rest of those pieces, like, for example, getting all of the department updates and so forth to the website. And then we'll also work on our standardizing our email signatures, as well as creating our staff pages for all of the departments and campuses as well. 7,200 families are counting on us. And I want to mention that as we're getting started with this work, we're actually going to pull some of our analytics from Google Analytics. And so we will have a baseline of data that we can go back and refer to determine how well we're engaging with our community and all of our stakeholders. And that concludes this initial training. Thanks and have a great day.